Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, the stock that we are going to discuss about is Flotek Industries, and the reason why we are doing this stock is there is a slight amount of jump that you can see in the pre-market. And if you are looking at the overall chart price, either you are looking at 1 day, 1 month or 6 months, you will see a decent amount of downtick in this particular chart. But there are some things which are interesting that we are going to discuss over here. So let's start with the market street estimate first. So you have your 1 year target estimate of 2.13. It is nearly 100% higher, or nearly 100% higher as compared to the current price. Also, if you are focusing on this chart, this is the earnings consensus EPS chart. So what the street is expecting is an EPS, and it is at the higher end of the range. As you can see, this blue one is the expectation and what has happened. Okay, so the red one is the missed one, and this blue circle, blue dot is in line with the estimate, and then you will have an higher EPS going forward. So we have an estimate date of earnings release which will be in between 15th to 19th of November 2021. Moreover, we have a negative EPS, so there is no point talking about the PE, but we will have a substantially high beta which will push the price in a substantial manner on either side. And though we don't have a substantial amount of news, but so let's see. But we have a news of Flotek Industries. So as you can see that as of 5th of October 2021, 4 penny stocks that insider are buying, and you will find out Flotek is one of those companies, and CEO and president Jar acquired a total 2000 shares at an average price of 1.22, and the insider spent. So this is nothing, this is just a peanut, but anyhow, we have to see what's going on over here. So let's go to the price chart, and there we will find out what is happening. So this is the monthly chart, what you can see on your screen, and if you are looking at the price chart, you will see that the stock is actually trading at the lower end of the range. So as far as the risk reward is concerned, you will have a very good risk reward, and what we have here is 99 cents as your immediate support, or you can actually consider this as your stop loss. But if you don't want to, then you will have your stop loss at 67 cents. So these are the two important levels that you need to look at on the downside. But let me tell you what's the actual range, or what's the big range that we are looking on both the sides. So I have explained you about the downside. You have 99 cents as your immediate support / stop loss, and your last resort will be 67 cents on the downside. And as you can see, this stock has an history that it will move very high as far as the price chart is concerned. So the upper range will be in between $35 and $58. So there is a substantial amount of price movement that has happened in this particular chart over a period of time. So if the stock continues to sustain above 99 cents or $1, the levels which we are going to look at going forward will be something like this. So let me show it to you how we are going to look at this particular level on the upside. So there are lots of intermediate support and resistance. So if the stock is holding above $1, you have two primary targets starting with $3 and can go up to 3.96. After that, you have your next target at 6.44. After 6.44, you have 14.7. Then you will have a 21.33, And furthermore, we have 35 and 58. All these are your long term targets, and it will definitely take a couple of years to have these kind of targets, but you need to be patient if you want to go long as far as this chart is concerned. But this chart has a history that it can make big moves even inside the range if you have the guts to hold it on. And what you need to do, just follow the trend, trail your stop losses, and don't go beyond a particular range, and I think that will help you over a period of time. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.